Hi everyone, this is Evie coming to you with another acrylic pour. This time the colors that I'm using a lighter turquoise and a darker turquoise, some white, some gold, and then this is burnt umber with some gold in it that's not quite mixed in, so streaks of gold in there. And to start off, and all of these paints are mixed with Floetrol, water, and a few drops of silicone because I'm hoping for some cells. So let's start with getting some paint on the canvas, some white paint, just to make everything flow a little easier. And I'm doing a flip cup. Let's make that 2 flip cups. Or just one. Let's make it 1 flip cup and maybe a like a ribbon or 2. Okay, so we've got the canvas all ready for paint. Now I actually need a cup. Okay, so let's start with some white at the bottom. We'll do the light turquoise, the dark turquoise, I'm going to do a tiny bit of gold. If I cannot spill it, just a tiny bit. My gold is a little bit on the thicker side, and then we have the brown. We'll start all over again, do a little bit of white, the light turquoise, the darker turquoise, tiny bit of gold. Oh no, yeah, a little bit of gold, and then some brown. Okay, this is what my cup looks like, and then I'm going to flip it. There we go, it's flipped. Oh, I can see some cells coming already. So I'm gonna do another cup. I had some white in there, some light turquoise, some dark turquoise, and some brown. And then some light turquoise and some dark turquoise. And let's pour this all around. We definitely have plenty of paint on this. Okay, so let's try to get some cells by using the hot air from the blow dryer. get all the ends. Okay, this needs some brown in there. I'm gonna throw some gold in there. That's plenty. Okay, it doesn't look like we're getting any more cells. So let's do a little bit of tilting. Tilt this way. Oops. Losing all my great browns up here. Tilt this way. Oh, I love the way in the brown there's some gold rings in the brown. That is awesome. I love that. Okay, that is it. Thanks for watching.